Okay, y'all, I think I discovered something, right? So you know how you chop your sample, right? So you chop it. This is a jump loop I chopped up. So what I did was I hit shift, and you see where it says extract? Now, I haven't been seeing people talking about this, but if you hit extract, it will take that part and put it to an empty pad. So we're gonna take that, hit extract, and now it's on pad 4. Hit that, hit extract. Now that's on pad 5. Hit that. Let me see. Hit extract, that's on pad 7. So come out of that. And there go your individual chops. All right.